Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I am super excited because I have a package from the one and only Maniology, and they sent over this beautiful nail stamping kit with some beautiful regular nail polishes and the color Nectar, Zombie Hunt, and Blue Ribbon. So pretty. Also, here is a 15% off wide coupon if you just scan the QR code, and this cool little nail sticker. Now this is how the nail plate looks close up. Starting off, my nails are already prepped and I've glued on some tips for today. Then I am using Maniology's base coat. Now I did receive this base coat in a previous kit, but like I always say, it's so important to apply a very thin layer of base coat before any nail polish, just to allow a smoother application. And because this is regular polish, I'm definitely taking my time, because if you've ever used regular polish before, you know it dries extremely fast. And once the base coat has dried, I'm going in with this beautiful color Blue Ribbon, and I love it. It is a light blue regular nail polish, and it's nice and airy and very easy to use. One thing I've learned when applying regular gel polish, you want to start with a small line down the middle, and then you do either the left or right side, just to try to get the layer of polish as even as possible so that it's not lumpy. And then I'm also taking my time and going all the way down to the end of the nail. And this is going to again help me have a nice even coverage. And then I'm just using my Maniology cleanup brush and some 100% acetone to clean up any mistakes around the cuticle area or my sidewalls. And for my pinky and my thumb, I'm using this beautiful color Nectar. These are some really pretty colors, and I will say it offers a nice coverage. I normally do 2 layers of polish, but with this you might be able to get away with one nice even layer. But of course I am gonna do 2 layers just because it brings out the color of the polish a little better, and it allows for your nail polish to be nice and even. I know I keep repeating even coverage, but that's very important when you're working with regular polish. Again, I actually love Maniology's nail polishes and their nail brush that comes with the polish. I think it's so easy to use, and it just helps the application go so much smoother because of the size and the shape of the brush. You can easily get in those corners and really close up towards your cuticle area. Now here I am, I'm just going to apply a second coat to each of my nails. And if you're wondering, I am letting these nails dry for about 10 minutes in between layers, because again, this is regular polish and I want to make sure that it is completely dry before I apply another layer. Also, I want to send a special thank you to Maniology for sending over this beautiful nail stamping plate for me to try with these nail polishes. If any of you all are interested in trying any of the things you saw in today's video, I will leave a link down in my description box below, as well as my coupon code EasyNails10, which can save you 10% off your entire order. Again, that's EasyNails10, and that can save you up to 10%. And here is the stamping plate that I chose for today's video. It's so cute. It has pineapples, flowers, octopus, ducks, bubbles. And then here is my stamper. I'm using a lint roller to clean my stamper. And of course, I start by applying a generous amount of the regular gel polish to the area of the stamping plate that I want to stamp. And then I just roll my stamper across the nail polish, and then I gently roll it on my nail. Now, I will admit this did take some practice. It's just something that you have to get used to. It's definitely a learning curve, especially if you want to get the entire stamp on your nail. But with a little practice and patience, it is such a beautiful and easy technique to definitely take your nails to the next level. And I'm kind of repeating the same steps on my first finger, but this time with the color Nectar, and I'm using the ducks and the bubbles stamping. And then I just remove the polish off the stamper. Don't worry if it looks smudged, it will come out correctly. And I decided that I did not want to cover the entirety of my nail, so I just went at an angle because I really wanted the seashell and the bubbles. And then I just keep going. Now I'm using the color Zombie Hunt. And once again, I love the color combo of these three shades. I think they complement each other well. And I'm so excited with how this set turned out. So cute. If you can see on my ring finger, I am doing some green pineapples, and they are so cute. And for my middle finger, I kind of wanted to do an ombre, but I knew it would be difficult using regular polish because it does dry so fast. So this was kind of my take on an ombre. I'm mixing the nectar color with the blue ribbon color, and I'm just trying to get these colors to blend together the best I can. Now, I am going to be adding a design on top of this, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But just a nice blend. Now I'm using some regular white polish from Maniology from a previous set to use on my middle finger just to make it stand out a little more. And I'm so glad I decided to use this design because I think it's so cute. And last but not least, I am using Maniology's top coat to apply a thin layer of top coat to each nail. Now, before I apply the top coat, I let the nails dry in between. Again, because this is regular polish, you want to make sure that the nails are completely dry to avoid any smudges with the gel polish. And these are how the nails turned out. I love them. They are so cute, and this set was so quick and easy. And I just love how each nail has its own design and that the colors match flawlessly. Once again, special thank you to Maniology for sending over these polishes and stamping kit for me to try. Again, I have the coupon code EasyNails10, which can save you up to 10% off your order. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next nail video.